Have you still got many horses, Karen?
I'm sorry?
Have you still got many horses?
No, I've got hardly any in.
Yeah.
Right? How many have we got here? About 8? 7?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds doable.
No, I've still got staff. Sit around and do nothing all day.
You see much of Jocelyn?
Yeah, quite a bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's she going?
Yeah, she's good. Really good. So hard to blame at the moment.
Those were the days.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is great.
Did you ever hear from Nikki Setterfield?
No.